Welcome back to AutoConcept, your home for trustworthy, deep-dive car reviews and smart purchase advice. Today, we're tackling a question that comes up with friends, family, and viewers all the time. What's a safe SUV bet? In a world full of endless car choices and fancy promises, sometimes you don't want a thrilling gamble. You want a vehicle that will simply deliver, year after year, without the drama. If there's one thing Japanese automakers have mastered, it's building reliable, honest SUVs that owners love and keep for the long haul. So in this video, we count down 5 Japanese SUVs you can blindly buy. Models with proven durability, real-world practicality, and a reputation you can hang your hat on. These are vehicles you could recommend to a friend, your parents, or your neighbor, without losing sleep at night. Let's get started. 1. Toyota RAV4. The do-everything champion. Let's kick off with what's arguably the benchmark for reliability and all-round excellence, the Toyota RAV4. Since its debut in the mid-90s, the RAV4 has steadily become one of the world's best-selling SUVs, and with good reason. Why do so many people buy and keep these cars for years? Because the RAV4 just works. No matter which version you choose, classic petrol, smart hybrid, or the powerful plug-in hybrid Prime, you benefit from Toyota's ironclad reputation for mechanical durability. Many owners report topping 300,000 kilometers with just routine maintenance. The RAV4 shines for those who want a true jack-of-all-trades. You get a spacious, practical cabin with flexible rear seating and real cargo space for families, road trippers, or dog owners. Toyota packs in active safety tech as standard, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and auto emergency braking. The hybrid achieves outstanding real-world fuel economy. Owners routinely report over 6L 100-kilometer averages, even with mixed driving. And while it may not shout on the outside, it's built to withstand harsh winters, long road trips, and daily city punishment. That's why the RAV4 retains its value so well. You'll find older versions holding strong on the used market, a sign of how much trust drivers place in these SUVs. For set-and-forget reliability with no surprises, you can buy a RAV4 with complete confidence. Honda CR-V, unstoppable practicality and peace of mind. Number 2 is another crowd favorite, the Honda CR-V. For decades, the CR-V has been praised for its comfortable ride, smart packaging, and most of all, its rock-solid dependability. If you want an SUV that keeps life simple and stress-free, this Honda should be at the top of your list. Owners consistently rate the CR-V among the most reliable SUVs on the road. Breakdowns are rare, and most repairs, when they finally happen, often after years, are affordable and straightforward. The cabin is airy and spacious, with class-leading rear legroom and clever folding rear seats for true load-lugging versatility. With a flat cargo floor and wide tailgate, it's super easy to fit bikes, furniture, or bulky strollers. Many CR-Vs are chosen by growing families for just that reason. Recent CR-Vs are available with an impressively efficient hybrid powertrain that blends smooth acceleration with fantastic real-world consumption, again, often under 600 kilometers. And the hybrid is particularly popular for city and suburban drivers who want to minimize fuel stops without going fully electric. Technology is intuitive, with touchscreens, digital displays, and a full suite of driver assists. Reliability surveys and owner stories repeat the same refrain. Many CR-V drivers only swap for another, sometimes after 10 years or more. This is the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-about-it family SUV. Subaru Forester, rugged confidence, built to last. In third place is a not-so-secret weapon for drivers who want true confidence in all conditions, the Subaru Forester. If you live somewhere with real winters, face muddy rural tracks, or just want the assurance of full-time all-wheel drive, nothing beats Subaru's engineering. The Forester delivers its standard across the range. The famous boxer engine layout and symmetrical AWD mean tenacious grip on snow, rain, or gravel, making it a favorite in mountain states and countryside across the world. But it isn't just about traction. The Forester's simple, no-nonsense interior is built to take abuse and keep going, year after year. There's tons of glass, superb visibility, and family space reminiscent of larger and pricier SUVs. Current models offer advanced eyesight driver assist tech, solid safety scores, a comfortable ride for long journeys, and an honest, utilitarian charm. Owners often hit massive mileage milestones. 250,000 kilometers and beyond aren't rare. Many Foresters become family hand-me-downs thanks to their reliability, and their off-road ability also means you'll see them roaming national parks, ski areas, and farm roads. If you want capability and reliability, the Forester is a heart and head win. 4. Toyota Land Cruiser, the living legend. No list of buy-blind Japanese SUVs would be complete without mentioning the Toyota Land Cruiser. If the RAV4 and CR-V are perfect for daily driving, the Land Cruiser is the global icon when you need absolute dependability and go-anywhere ability. For decades, it's been the vehicle of choice for explorers, humanitarian organizations, and anyone venturing off the beaten path, from the Sahara to Siberia. The Land Cruiser's engine, transmission, and suspension are all built to last, with stories of these cars passing 1 million kilometers, not urban legend, but real-life anecdotes. Inside, it's pure comfort. Even base models have great ergonomics, aircon that can chill or heat the car fast, and giant, flexible cargo space. Higher trims add more luxury, but every Land Cruiser is built with durability first. The ladder frame chassis, high-clearance suspension, and sophisticated 4x systems make even extreme off-roading feel ordinary. Expensive? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. These cars hold their value like almost nothing else and inspire a global community of loyalists. A used Land Cruiser is often nearly as prized as a new one, thanks to longevity and minimal maintenance. If your adventures take you truly anywhere, or you want the family hauler that will outlast many houses, the Land Cruiser is money well spent. 5. Mazda CX-5, reliable with a dash of driving fun. Last but definitely not least, the Mazda CX-5 brings a breath of sportiness while still delivering trusted Japanese reliability. Why do so many people swear by the CX-5? Because it brings together classic Mazda strengths, engaging handling, top-notch interiors, and quietly understated design, with a track record for mechanical durability. Mazda's Skyactiv engines aren't just efficient, they're simple and robust, with no unnecessary complications. Owners report years of trouble-free motoring and above-average fuel efficiency, even with all-wheel drive and larger engines. The CX-5's cabin is a high point, matching some luxury rivals for quality and user-friendliness. Comfortable seats, modern infotainment with touch and rotary input, and sound insulation that's been improved with every generation keep the ride refined. And it's genuinely fun to drive. Tight steering, nicely weighted controls, and a chassis that responds eagerly but never harshly. For drivers who want a little more feeling behind the wheel, without sacrificing the bulletproof trustworthiness Mazda is known for, the CX-5 is a brilliant pick. It repeatedly scores at or near the top in owner satisfaction, reliability, and real-world reliability lists. Conclusion: pick with confidence. So there you have it, the 5 Japanese SUVs you could buy with your eyes closed and still smile about it years down the road. From urban errands to outdoor adventures, from small families to global explorers, these vehicles built their reputations not in the marketing department, but in owners' driveways and long, worry-free kilometers. Maybe you want set-and-forget reliability. Maybe you need a smart hybrid for family life, or all-terrain toughness, or a little fun alongside pure trustworthiness. Whatever your needs, there's a Japanese SUV here for you. Which would you choose for your next driveway hero? Let us know down in the comments. Share your own stories and questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell here on AutoConcept for more useful car advice, real-world reviews, and all things automotive you actually need to know. Thanks for watching, and see you out on the road, reliably.